Welcome to my experience in Holland. My name is Elsa Mena and I'm currently studying a high degree in multi-platform application development. During those 2 months I was in Leeuwarden doing an internship at a company. Our company was next to Leeuwarden Courant, the oldest and most popular newspaper in the Netherlands. This company was called Mica. We mainly did front end, and every week we contact customers. My favorite project was a personal website for a coach. At the end of the working day, we visited the city of Leeuwarden by bicycle, such as the tower. They built a little sloping called Old Hope. Some weekends we went to the capital of Holland, Amsterdam, to visit the city, historical facts, monuments and tradition. We also went to visit the house of Anne Frank, museums such as the Maritime, Tulips, Science, etc. In conclusion, it has been an unforgettable experience in the face of different cultures and habits.